Hi guys, um, I'm EKSF and in this video I'm gonna show you a introduction about Linux. So first, what's Linux? Linux is a family of open source and Unix like open operating system based on Linux kernel. So Linux is open source. What does open source mean? Open source means the program, a kernel, the operating system that that you can change the source and make your own distro, make your own distribution of the application, make a better application by changing the source code of that. So Unix like operating system. What's Unix? Unix is a operating system that's the operating that's Unix is closed source, so you can't change the source. But Linux is a operating system that have commands or apps like Unix. It's not Unix. It's something like Unix. Linux operating systems are based on Linux kernel, which is the important thing. You have to have a kernel to make an operating system. So Linus Torvalds made the Linux kernel, made the Linux in 1991, 11 September. We don't want you know all of these informations about Linux. Just have basic information about Linux is enough. Just like what I wrote. It's not, you don't have to learn a lot for the Linux. Just have a basic know the basic meaning, basic informations about Linux is enough. So Linux has a lot of distros. Some of them are Debian based, which Debian based Linux supports .deb installation files like Debian, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Parrot OS, and Pop OS, Ubuntu or distributions from the Ubuntu, and these are Debian based. Okay, after that we have Red Hat based Linux. Red Hat based Linux have the another installation files which are called .rpm files, the files that have RPM extensions, like Red Hat, Fedora, and OpenSUSE. These are the distribution of Red Hat. These are distribution of Debian. After that we have Arch Linux based, which recommend for the programmers. Arch Linux is based on Arch Linux based Linux supports source code, just source code. There is no installation files in Arch Linux. You can just install it from source code, or you can install it from the Pacman package manager. like Arch Linux, like Arco Linux, Black Arch, Artex, and other operating systems. We have Gentoo. That's I've seen that somebody don't count for the Linux distribution, but actually Gentoo, I count that Gentoo is a Linux-based operating system. So Gentoo is like Arch Linux, that Gentoo just supports the source code installation, and it also, you can install it also with immerge commands. You can install the applications also with immerge commands. That immerge command is really helpful, really full package manager, that it also, if you don't miss a spelling something, it will say, okay, you mean this or this. It will say that which are the similar applications to your name that you have entered. Okay, we have the Gentoo based Linux are Gentoo, Funtoo, Pentoo, Sabayan, and Chromium OS. So the operating system that Chrome and Chromium have is also Gentoo based Linux. Okay, and that was all. That's all. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button below, and hit the like button to say that okay, I like this, and please make some more videos, and I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next video.